What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. It's like 5 in the morning. We're gonna start working on the 350Z. Ay, cabrón, it's cold. So the plan for today is we're gonna strip down basically the whole car. We're gonna take off the fenders, the doors, over fenders, trunk, and then we're gonna start sanding down the interior. And hopefully by the end of this video, the whole interior of the car cage and everything is painted except for the exterior. That's gonna have to be like another day. All right, let's start stripping this car down and see what we're working with. All right, broskies, just like that, we took off the doors, the fenders, over fenders, trunk, rear bumper. We got this thing pretty much stripped down. It's going to be a lot easier to work on it, sand down the interior, the cage, and yeah, overall to paint it, it's going to be way easier. So it's going to be hard to paint the car, but we'll figure it out. It's going to be my first time painting an interior with a cage. If it didn't have a cage, I think it would be a lot easier. But since this thing has a cage, it's going to be a little bit challenging, but we're up for challenges, ¿ah, Pincholo?
Yeah.
So, vamos a ver qué pedo. Alright, broskies, update on the Mamalone. This thing is pretty much, we just gotta clean it up. I'm gonna hit it with the wire brush in a bit, and then as we're doing that, we're gonna vacuum most of the dirt because it has a lot of dirt. And then after that, just clean it up and probably, hopefully, start painting this thing. It's looking good though. Oh, the hardest part was the roof. We got it all sanded down de una vez. But yeah, check out all the parts we took off. We even took off the dash and all the body panels. I still don't know what color we're gonna do the exterior, but I'll show you guys in a bit the interior color. It's gonna be sick. But it's break time again. Cafecito and some McDonald's breakfast. All right, broski, so I started painting the interior of the 350Z. I'm gonna show you guys, but don't judge me yet because it's still not done. Sheesh, we did some Nardo gray. Looking good, looking good. This looks way better than that green. I still gotta do like the inside. I'm just letting it dry a little bit, that way I can get in and then get the tighter spots. But this car is looking nice. Well, we let the interior dry for a little bit. I'm gonna start working on my 370Z. I'm gonna put the sensors back on. The crankshaft puts camshaft sensor, and then the other two little sensors. So it's 4 sensors that I gotta put back on, and she'll be running again. And I also got a brand new battery for it, so the car is gonna be chingon. After we're done with that, I'll probably start working on my 370Z. I might repaint the whole car. I still gotta clear coat my carbon over fender, so we got quite a lot of work to do with this thing. And it's all oversprayed already, so the car's all messed up already just because it's been sitting here. So let's get this car running. Alright, broski, so we're gonna start finishing up the interior of the Cage 350Z. As you guys can see, I still got a couple more spots to do. You guys can see the green, and we're gonna finish it off today. I still haven't done the floors because I'm gonna go inside the car and then I'm gonna go under and then spray behind the bars We still got a little bit of paint left to do. Check it out right here. This is my first time spraying a cage interior. I'm learning as I'm going. But yeah, hopefully in about an hour I finish this so I can start sanding down the rest of the car, which I have right here. Got the fenders, bumpers, headlights, doors, side skirts. I got everything behind the fence. Alright broskis, just like that, the shell interior is fully painted. Let me go on this side, that way the sun hits it. I even did the exterior right here, the exterior part, the door jambs. Not gonna lie, this paint came out alright for it being a single stage. If you don't know what a single stage paint job is, it's basically the color plus some gloss. So it's all mixed in together. A two-stage paint job, basically you gotta throw your color and then you throw your clear coat on top, which makes it a two-stage. And then there's like 3 stages where you add another metallic color and paint, or it's just more work. But yeah, this is a single stage. Not bad. This is also the first time me spraying single stage. It came out alright. I still prefer a two-stage paint job all day. And then I've noticed that this single stage takes longer to dry, so it's still a little tacky. I painted it a few hours ago. It's still, I mean, it's dry over here, but you can still feel the tackiness on the car, on the paint. But chingon. But yeah, broskies, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do you guys like the color? What do you guys think so far? On the next video, we're gonna paint the exterior. All right, so stay tuned for that video. My jaw hurts. My jaw hurts. I've been doing a lot of. Just kidding. I was chewing some gum. My jaw hurts. But yeah, broskies, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think so far. You guys want to see more painting videos? Let me know. Oh, if you guys notice, my 370Z is gone. You're gonna see another video of that. I delivered it to my uncle's shop. He's gonna help me do the body work, and then we'll bring it back and start painting it. But I'm excited for that. Stay tuned. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.